So it's almost the end of your weekend and you're already dreading the week ahead. I've got you covered with a few things which will not only make you feel refreshed and relaxed in this last part of your weekend, but will also make you feel ready so that your week is a little less stressful and a lot more peaceful. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini. I welcome you all today to my channel. I don't like to do a lot of things on my week off because I truly believe that it is necessary for us to take the time off for our refreshment, for our relaxation. But I've also noticed that doing certain simple things on the day off actually helps me to not only feel relaxed and refreshed during the weekend, but also throughout the week. And that is what I'm going to share with you in this video. Being in nature is not something that we get to do much often while we are working during our weekdays because we are super glued to our computers or we have other tasks, or whether you are working from home or whether you are working from office, it's a little difficult to fit into your schedule. So in the weekend, I make it a point to go for at least a 10-15 minutes walk towards the end of the weekend, because this has two reasons. One is that, as I said, towards the weekend we kind of start getting those thoughts, oh, week is coming, I have to do this, I have to do that. So this walk actually helps me clear out those thoughts, and having spent a very lazy weekend just doing nothing and enjoying my time, this walk actually gives me a little bit boost of energy, which then I can use for my next step. The next step is to actually plan your week. And now I know it's very difficult and like nobody wants to do a huge planning on a Sunday evening. I mean, that's the last thing you would want to do, and neither do I do it. But at least I write down 1 or 2 intentions that I have for the week ahead. This, I obviously make myself a nice cup of tea, sit quietly, take my favorite pen and my book, and then write down these things. Now again, this need not be like super productive work related tasks. Sometimes on my intention list I have like, I need to complete a series of show that I'm watching or a book that I'm really enjoying. I need to complete it by this week. And this intention actually helps me to stay motivated and actually get excited about the week because I get to do these things during the week. So yeah, 1 or 2 tasks may be work related, but I would suggest to have 1 or 2 tasks that are completely fun related, which you are actually excited to do. Once the mind is organized, it is time to get the space organized. I mean, I'm not suggesting a deep clean of the house. Well, although you can do that, but I like to do small tasks which do not take up a lot of time and do not make me feel that I'm working on a weekend. So maybe I will lay out my outfits for the week, or arrange my desk and organize things that are necessary for me to start working the next morning, and tidy up the space a little bit. So this way, on a Monday morning when I get up, there is no clutter all around and I feel actually welcomed into the week and into the space that I am in. And as it is a weekend, it is very important that you feel relaxed and refreshed, and so does your skin. So having a nice pampering session here will definitely help, because during the week we do take care of our skin, but it's not like you can just relax and lie down and do all those things. So why not make use of a time on your weekend to do all these things? Guys, and you're thinking that, oh, I don't need skincare. Well, you need it. Once you do it, you'll understand what is the importance. But then if not skincare, then there are other things also with which you can pamper yourself. Like for example, a good head and neck massage can relax you, or a good head oil champy, the good old champy, also can relax you a little bit, or maybe a foot scrub or a pedicure or manicure, whatever it is that you like. Take some time to do that pampering activity for yourself, where you have nothing where to go and you have no hurry to do it slowly, nicely, and enjoy yourselves while doing it. All of my organization is done, my mind is organized, my space is organized, I feel relaxed and refreshed and pampered. It is time to just switch off my brain. Literally, this is the time when I will just curl up on a couch with a blanket or with a hot drink, #Haldi Doodh, and then take some time to watch my favorite shows or a movie or anything which does not require my brain power, because at this point of time I am not thinking about anything, neither the week that is going to go ahead because I have taken care of it, and neither whether I am relaxed or refreshed because I have taken care of that as well. Once you enter the week and you need a lot of energy, I have covered it how you can do it via food in this video, and my latest video is right here. If this video helped you, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already done so. I will see you in the next video. You take care till then. Bye bye.